on, handle your shit, CB.
Drew's explosive diarrhea. He's so funny right now.
Get 25 and stop laughing.
Come on, handle that shit, CB.
That sounds like excuses to me, Chris.
Come on, 1, 2, 3,
Handle that shit.
4,
Go up.
5.
Put your elbows to your knees. Elbows to your knees. Handle that shit.
That's not gonna do anything.
Get it. Get it, Chris. Cross
There you go, there you go.
Membership with me.
I feel like
handle
I feel like I
it.
It smells like ass in your eye.
That was.
Stop. No excuses. We'll have to make you harder. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go on. Chris, handle that shit.
Celery?
Handle that shit.
Smells like celery.
Let's go.
Shut up, Boozy. Ew.
Fuck,
My
it tastes
shit-
like celery in the
My shit
breast
smell
room.
like baby poops for you.
Andy D.
Come on, Chris, go! Go!
That's
Handle that shit.
that's
Cross them. Cross them. No excuses, no laughing.
Celery ass.
Not a laughing matter. Get those fucking abs going. Come on, Chris. That's my little brother. Fucking handle that shit.
You need a fucking hit.
There you go, baby. There you go. There you go. Think of the breezies. Think of the breezies. All the
my body at all right now. I'm as empty as you can find me.
It is what it is.
I'm like a fucking gas station with no gas. Were you filming that whole thing?